IB Physics questions, day 70. The graph shows the variation with time t of the velocity v of an object undergoing simple harmonic motion. At which velocity does the displacement from the mean position take a maximum positive value? Okay, so I think it's useful to look at this question in terms of pendulums. So from 0 to b, which I labeled as 1, this is a quick diagram that I drew. I know we're starting at a velocity of 0, and the pendulum is going to accelerate to the mean position. At the mean position, it is still going to have a negative velocity, but it has stopped accelerating. That I can see in point A. So that means that this mean position in diagram 1 is A. But then it's going to keep using that velocity to get up to an extreme position, which is point B. There, at point B, the velocity is going to become 0, and it's going to start accelerating back down to the mean position. So that is where diagram 2 comes into play, because this is also point B, and this time the velocity is positive. We're between B and D in this velocity versus time graph. So using the same principles from 1, I know that C is going to be this mean position. There's no acceleration, which is how I know that. And then this extreme point in diagram 2 is going to be D. So now the question is asking for the displacement with the maximum positive value. So I know for displacement, I'm looking on the right side here. So when is displacement the maximum here? Well, it's at D, which is the same as at 0, but that's not an answer choice, so the answer choice that's correct is answer choice D.